If bad gas has your carburetor down, this video is for you. This video covers most Honda-style, float-type, small engine carburetors in under 5 minutes. Tools and supplies are in the description. Remove your carburetor and we will get started. I will start with spraying the carburetor with carburetor cleaner and blowing it off with compressed air. Remove the 10mm float bowl bolt. Take care not to lose the seal on the bolt. And take care not to lose or damage the float bowl O-ring. This bad fuel that has gelled in the float bowl is causing the main jet to plug. Spray it down, let it soak, and we will come back to it later. Pull the float bowl pin. Remove the float and the fuel inlet valve. Inspect the fuel inlet needle valve for dirty or missing rubber tips. Spray all ports with carburetor cleaner. With a small flat blade screwdriver, remove the main jet. Spray the air jet cavity with carb cleaner. Remove the float bowl O-ring so we don't lose it as we blow out all of the ports with compressed air. Clean the air jet. We must clear all the holes in the air jet, or your engine will not run right. Use welding or torch tip cleaners if needed. Insert the air jet, small end first. Repeat the cleaning process on the main jet. That did not clear the jet, so we need to get the torch tip cleaners. Insert the main jet with the slot up and tighten. Clean all the gunk from the float bowl. Install the float bowl O-ring. Clean the float and the fuel needle inlet valve. Install the float and fuel inlet valve. Install the float hinge pin. Gently test with compressed air. Align float bowl drain bolt opposite of fuel inlet. Install 10mm float bowl bolt and tighten. You did it! Reinstall your carburetor with fresh fuel and test. Thank you for watching another successful how-to. If this video helped, please like and subscribe.